So you're going to a crypto conference. Well, there's a lot that can go wrong. And let me tell you from experience, from Ape Fest to VCon,
He's a clown. He's scary.
Basel to a bunch of meetups all over the country. I can tell you that there's a lot that can go wrong and there's a lot that can be misused in accordance to the time that you're allocating to going. What do I mean by that? Well, you can make it a big waste of your time, or you can make it one of the best things you do all year. Now, I'm going to go through a couple things that I would suggest staying away from, and then a couple things that I'm going to say, hey, go ahead and do that over there because you're going to have a great time. So let's start with the bad first because we always like to get that out of the way. All right. So what not to do is just like a normal party, don't be the drunkest person there. Look, when I tell you that crypto conferences are basically just huge parties, especially the good ones, they are, okay? That's the reality of it. A lot of projects just blow their treasury spending it on parties at crypto conferences. So it's easy to get lost in the sauce, and you're meeting so many cool people that it's just so easy to get in the wind of everything. And don't worry, because guess what? You are most likely not as rich as the other people you see balling out there. Because trust me, there's some real big, heavy people there, and they're gonna just shit on you. And don't try and keep up with them. Let them buy the bottles and shit, and you just enjoy yourself, okay? And have fun, and just focus on building relationships. Don't be the guy that's not drinking and not doing anything. Like you gotta at least be a little cool. I mean, come on now. But you don't want to be getting lost in the sauce and just ripping your credit card out and just blowing through a bag just because you're meeting some new friends. Okay. So that's one thing. Another thing is don't go there without a clear mission in mind of what you're trying to accomplish, whether it's create content, get a proposal to this one guy that you've been trying to track down, but you know he's going to be at this conference, to just finding a new developer that you need for your project. Go in there with a set mindset that you are going to get this accomplished at this conference, and that is why you are spending the money and time to do it. Because if you don't, you are just going to regret it. And I'm telling you this right now from experience, if you do not go to the conference with set things in your mind, you will regret it because you will not do shit but fuck around. Okay? So yeah, I mean, shit. I thought there was gonna be a lot of things, but really, if you just do those couple things, hey, you're gonna have a great time. So I actually hope I see you guys at Basel. I'll be at Basel all week in Miami, and then coming week. I hope you guys come. If you are coming, please reach out and tell me you're coming so we can meet up and like do something like human beings. So have a great time, guys. I hope you go to a crypto conference because they are fun and you meet the best people in the world. I'm telling you, they're worth it. But have a great day and enjoy yourself.